question number 7 once you observe on board. 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equal to 4. That is one of the linear equation, and the another one is 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equal to minus 2. These two are two pair of linear equations. What we have to do? By reducing, we have to find the values of x and y. So this one only I am going to take it as equation number 1 and equation number 2. So I am going to start the solution over here only once you observe all of you. So solution starts here only. This is given part. This is what? Given part. This one I am going to take it as equation number 1. This one I am going to take it as equation number 2. Now to find x is equal to question mark, y is equal to question mark. So for finding x and values, first we have to rewrite the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now you observe over here, rewrite equation number 1 and equation number 2. What we have to do? Rewrite. What we have to do? So here 10, this one I am going to write 10 into 1 by x plus y plus 2 into 1 by x minus y is equal to 4. This one equation number 1a I am going to take, and the second one is 15 into 1 by x plus y minus 5 into 1 by x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 2a. After rewrite the equations, when we are observing these two equations, here 1 by x plus y is there, here also 1 by x plus y is there. Here 1 by x minus y is there, here also 1 by x minus y is there. Instead of that one, I am going to substitute some variables over here, that is a and b. Now you observe, let 1 by x plus y is equal to, I am going to take a, and 1 by x minus y is equal to, I am going to take it as b. Here not only a and b, u, v, m, n, whatever you take, no problem at all. So these two values I am going to substitute in equation number 1a and 2a. Substitute 1 by x plus y is equal to a and 1 by x minus y is equal to b in equation number 1a and equation number 2a. In these two equations I am going to substitute over here. Now you observe, 10, instead of 1 by x plus a I am going to write a plus 2b. Instead of 1 by x minus y I am going to substitute b. 2b is equal to 4. That is equation number 3 I am going to write. After writing that one, I am going for 2a equation. 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. Equation number 4. After writing equation number 3 and 4, I am going to solve these two equations. For solving, what we have to do? We have to equate the coefficients of a or b. Here I am going to equate the coefficients of b, because here we have one b is having plus symbol and one b is having minus symbol. So that's why, what is the coefficient of b here? 2. Here, what is the coefficient of b here? 5. 2, 5. What is the LCM of 2, 5? Both are 2 are prime numbers. That's why the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. Now we observe, LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So for getting 10, what we have to multiply with 2? 5. That means what? Once you observe, 5 into equation number 3. Here I said adding. So what should we multiply with 5? We can get 10. 2 we have to multiply. 2 into equation number 4. 2 into equation number 4. Now you observe, 5 into equation number 3 and 2 into equation number 4. That 2 what I am doing? Adding. So now you observe, 5 into 10. 5 tens are 50. 50a plus 5 twos are 10b 10b is equal to 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. Then next 2 into 15a, 2 15s are 30 a minus 2 into 5b, 2 5s are 10b is equal to 2 into 2, 4 minus 4. Here minus symbol is there, na? That's why I am keeping minus symbol over there. After that, these two I am going to add. When we are adding 1 plus 1 minus symbol is there, we can cancel this one. 10b, 10b, both are same. If it is same only, we can cancel. Otherwise, subtraction. So 10b minus 10b, 0. We can get 0b. So what is the balance over here? 50a plus 30a. Both are having plus symbol. 80a we are getting is equal to, here 20 minus 4. 1 plus 1 minus symbol. Means what? We have to do subtraction. Subtraction means 20 minus 4. What can we get? 16 we can get. So after that, this 80 I am going to take this side. A is equal to, between 80 and a symbol, into is there, that will be division. So 16 by 80. 16 ones are, 16 fives are. This one I am going to write is implies a is equal to 1 by 5 we are getting. What we are getting? A is equal to 1 by 5. After getting a value, what we have to do? Substitute this a value in equation number 3 or equation number 4. Now I am going to substitute the value of a in equation number 3. So once you observe, substitute a is equal to 1 by 5 in equation number 3. So what is equation number 3 over here? 10a. 10 a value is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 2 b value, we don't know b value, that only we are finding. That's why b is equal to, what is there? 4 is there. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 2b is equal to 4. This 2 I am going to take this side. What will happen? 2b is equal to 4 plus 2 will become minus 2. So again what will happen here? 2b is equal to 4 minus 2, how much? 2. So again this 2 I am going to this side, implies b is equal to 2 by 2. So 2 ones are, 2 ones are. It implies, what is the value of b over here? 1. So we got the value of a and b also. After getting the value of a and b, we have to substitute that two values in 1 by x plus y is equal to a, 1 by x minus y is equal to b. So now I am going to write substitute a is equal to 1 by 5 and b is equal to 1 in 1 by x plus y is equal to a and 1 by x minus y is equal to b. So now instead of a, I am going to substitute this one. Once you see, hash mark, 1 by x plus y is equal to a value is what here? 1 by 5. 1 by 5 and 1 by x minus y is equal to b. b is what here? 1. I wrote that one. Now I am going to take this one. Take 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 5. This one I am going to do over here cross multiplication. Why I am doing cross multiplication over here? Between two fractions equal to symbol means we have to do cross multiply. So x plus y into 1, x plus y is equal to 1 into 5, 5. So x plus y is equal to 5 we got. This one I am going to take equation number 5. Already 4 equations over here. This one equation number 5 I am taking. Now one more I am going to take over here. 1 by x minus y is equal to 1. Now here nothing is there, means by 1 cross multiplication. 1 into x minus y is equal to 1 into 1, equation number 6. After getting 5 and 6 equations, we have to do addition. Why am I doing addition? Means here y is having plus symbol, y is having minus symbol. If you add, we can cancel the y terms. If you subtract, we can cancel x terms. But I am doing addition over here. Add equation number 5 and equation number 6. So when we are adding this one, x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. So when we are adding this one, plus y minus y gets cancellation, x plus x 2x, 2x is equal to 5 plus 1 is what? 6, 6 we got. This one I am going to implies x is equal to, this 2 I am going to take this side, 6 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 threes are, is implies x is equal to 3. We got the value 3. Substitute that x value in equation number, where we have to substitute 5 or 6, wherever you substitute x value, you can substitute 5 or 6. Substitute x is equal to 3 in equation number 5 or 6. I am going to substitute in 5, x value 3 plus y is equal to 5. This 3 is taken on this side, means what will happen? Y is equal to 5 minus 3. So this one again we can write y is equal to 5 minus 3 what? 2. So therefore the value of x is equal to, the value of x is equal to 3 and the value of y is equal to 2. Okay, so finally we solved the question number 7.